Okay, good day everyone. Um, you're welcome. Okay, quickly, let me drop this strategy and then we'll move on. Okay, so download the Deriv app. Okay, download Deriv app. I believe the app is better than the browser. So when you download the app, you have an interface like this. Okay, so yes, so download the app. All right. Um, sorry. If you've done that, you will notice at the top left here, there's something like menu, right? At the top left, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, can you see it? Where it's pointing to there? Yes, if you can see it, fine. All right, so we are clicking on that already. So let's click it. Now you click on the D trader, not this. Where you see D trade at the top here like this, you click on it, and that's where it brought us to this place. Okay, so you scroll down, you select smart trader, that's where we'll begin. Now, what are some of the things that will be responsible for losses? Number one, when you are using browser and not the app. Number two, when you're not following the rules. And one of the rules is over trading. When you trade more than 2-3 times in a day, you're over trading. At times, it's even good to stop at 2 times in a day. Okay. And then number three, sharing my strategies without my permission. You're gonna be affecting yourself because some things are locked spiritually. Well, I won't say more than that. Sharing my strategies without my permission can affect your trading. All right. So practically, let's go. Set this to volatility 10, not volatility 10x. Can you see this, please? Set it to volatility 10 index. Okay. So 10 index, not 10x. Yes, that's the first thing. When you've done that, okay. When you've done that, you see where there's this place, you come and then you select higher and lower. Okay, all right. When you're done, the duration is 5 ticks. I don't know if you can see it. See the duration, 5 ticks, not 5 minutes, not 5 seconds, but 5 ticks. Okay, then when you are done, you come and set the barrier offset. Set the barrier offset to plus 0.150 or plus 0.200. All right, then you put how much you want to be staking. Here. So for the purpose of this, I will use $1,000. Let me use $1,000. Okay, so this strategy gives 50% of your profit or of your capital. So what's the strategy here now? This is what we look at. This is what we look at. These three numbers under the barrier offset. Okay, these three numbers. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, these three numbers. The moment you see is 011 now, the moment that three number is less than 50, we click on lower. The moment is less than 50. I don't know if you can see it. This three number, the moment is less than 50. Can you see that three number? Now it's 047. So it's a good time. The moment 043 is a good one. So the moment you see it like that, immediately rush. Don't delay. Don't even give it a 2 second delay. Immediately click on lower. Okay. All right. However, before you begin trading in a day, use a very small amount to check if the market is good. Okay. If you do that and it doesn't, please don't continue. It could be that something is wrong somewhere. It could be the network, it could be something. Okay, but your first trade should be with a small amount. The second one, usually me, I use everything, like the total of my capital. But I don't advise you to do that. Learn to use 50% and below. All right, guys, let's move to action. Okay, let me execute my first trade as I wait for the signal. 081, 197, 140, 448, 197, 012. So look at that delay, despite waiting and everything. You can see I won. I want you to see it by yourself. Contract what? One. Can you see that? So what is the profit? Look at the profit. $503. Can you see that? This is the buy price. This is the buy price. I bought it for $1,000. This is the final price. It was sold for $1,503. And this is the profit, $503. I believe you understand now. All right. Let's go on another one. Let's wait for the signal. 023. Let's go in with 023 and see what will happen. I don't know why it's as if my network wants to hang. Or God passed them. Don't. I won again. Can you see? I won again. Can you see that? I won again. So usually if you win like 2 times like this, I advise you stop. But many people will be overtaken by greed and they want to continue. They'll be overtaken by greed. So, well, let's try it again. But left for me, twice is enough. If you get 100% of your capital in a day, is something. Usually the third one may bounce back against you. But let's try it again. The third one is not guaranteed, but the first, second is guaranteed. But the third one works also. It works if you follow the same principle. It's just that the first two are more guaranteed than the third one. So we are waiting for a signal. Seems the signal doesn't want to show up. 075. No. We want below 50. not even below 100, but below 50. Below 50. Below 50. Below 50. Now, I believe you guys know I'm working on a bot. I'm working on a bot that trades. Um, I tested it. It won four trades and lost only one. The bot is crazy. You just have to program it, and then it trades for you. And uh, we just saw a signal. So the bot will trade for you. You don't need to be trading manually. It trades for you and give you your profit. All right, guys, we won again from the way it's going. So you can see this is the third win now. Okay, 503. Now we have $5,000 as our balance. So let's still go for the fourth round. For the fourth round, but I will not advise you to go for four. I'm not advising you at all. The issue is that when many people begin to win, they forget about these rules, and you will never outgrow the rules. You will never outgrow the rules. The rules will keep haunting you no matter who you are. You will never outgrow it. So this is the fourth trade. As it is also, we are winning. So we won. Can you see it? Contract won. So our total balance is 5,900. Now, let's see. I think that's the fourth one. Let's see if we can go for the fifth one. I want to see when we'll lose. So don't over trade. Let your maximum, at least let your maximum be 3. But it's safe if you even quit after 2 straight winnings. It's safe. But if at all you go beyond that, maximum should not exceed 3. This is the fifth one we are going for. This is the fifth one. Okay, we are winning also. So fifth one won. You can see my total is now 6,400. Are you guys seeing it at all? See, 6,400. 6,400. Okay, 6,400. Can we still go? I think we've take, is it 5 or 6 trade now? Let's take the last one and we are done for today. This is actually enough. This is actually enough. Okay, so let's look at our profit table and see what we have there. Let's see what we have here. So you can see it is all profit, bro. You see, plus $503, plus $503, plus $503. That's what we keep seeing here. All right, guys. So this is just it. We need to wrap up the video here. So don't forget the bottom I'm working on. Okay, to be available for my students. Or for those uh that have been following me, they'll be able to get it first before every other person. And we are still coming up with more strategies. Okay, don't forget, beyond this, we are massively into crypto, and we have a crypto group where we are dropping mad signals in that group. Okay, guys, see you.